What if building software felt as simple as sending a message? Meet 8080.ai, where multiple AI agents work together like your complete engineering team. From planning and architecture to design, coding, testing, and deployment, every step happens automatically inside one workflow. No endless meetings, no switching between tools, just describe what you want. And watch production-ready software come to life. Whether you're validating an idea, launching a business, building faster, or bringing projects to life, 8080.ai helps you move from concept to execution in record time, trusted by builders across multiple countries, generating thousands of production-ready projects across industries, and deploys directly to production environments. One prompt, real software. Build faster with 8080.ai. Your words can change the world.